Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix microphone not working in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, if your microphone is not being recognized on your PC, probably you use different cable, not your microphone one, right? So basically, if you use USB microphone, there should be certain cable, which one basically has a data transfer option. If you use, for example, phone USB cable, it cannot fit because simply your PC do not recognize your mic with that particular cable. So always use a data cable, and then your microphone should appear on your computer. Right? And if your mic is appearing on your computer and it's not working, we can proceed with other steps. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go on search, go on settings. Then on settings, you need to go to sound. Go to sound settings and make sure on input device your right microphone is selected. When your right microphone is selected, you should see when you talk that this bar is going up and down, right? And if it's not the case, if it's not working, go to volume mixer. And then if in certain apps your microphone is not working, launch that particular app and look if it's on default, and also look if it's not muted, right? If you get this thing here, chances are high that you just muted yourself from the game or from the app itself, right? So make sure it's not muted. Then again, we can go to the sound section, go to more sound settings. On more sound settings, go to recording, and make sure your right microphone is set to default. Double tap on it, go to here, on microphone, make sure it's not muted. On advanced, make sure that these two options is selected here. And if your mic is not working, try to disable this option as well. Now look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go on settings, go to privacy and security, then scroll down until you see microphone here. And make sure that this option is selected, microphone access. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access on it. And also just scroll around here and look if the option is turned on all the apps that you're using that use microphone, right? And after that, look if the problem persists or not. Just go and search and open up Device Manager. On Device Manager, you need to look for a sound, video, and game controllers and click on it. Then look for your microphone. For me, it's Yeti Nano. Right click on it, go to Update Driver, search or browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from the list and then select your drivers. Next, and install drivers. And then after that, you need to look if the problem persists. And after that, if still your mic do not work, what I suggest to do here is always check your Windows operating system updates. Go on settings, go on Windows Update, and here if there is an update, just update all the drivers, restart your computer, and after that, look if the problem persists or not. But these fixes should fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it.